Meaning of destroyer.
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 Destroyer. The term destroyer refers to a type of naval vessel designed for fast and aggressive attacks against enemy ships. These vessels typically have long-range weapons and are capable of high speeds, making them ideal for conducting surprise attacks and engaging in hit-and-run tactics. When a destroyer is successful in its mission, it can inflict significant damage on the enemy's fleet and disrupt their overall strategy. The result of a destroyer's actions can include sinking or disabling enemy ships, disrupting supply lines, and weakening the enemy's ability to conduct effective operations.